Yeah. You hear it? Rumors, whispers, kingdom shifting. This ain't just music, it's prophecy and rhythm.
Rumors of war, I can hear it in the sky. Nations rise up, watch the innocent die. Water like gold, oil prices go high. Cause the war, tell me, isn't there? Oh, we still got time. Fire in the wind, you can feel it in the air. Kings fall down, but nobody care. Signs in the sun, yeah, it's written out there. Second coming close, Jesus the Messiah. You better get prepared, DJ Mona-Ta. I woke up to a world that don't feel the same. Truth get buried while they glorify fame. Children of the system program brains while the rich play chess with the poor man's pain. Earthquakes shake like the ground got rage. Storms get louder like the end of days. Blood on the news, but they turn the page. Another war headline, same old stage. They said peace, peace, but there ain't no peace. Just deals behind doors and a hidden beast. Currency crash, now the fear increase. And the cost of living got a tighter leash. Food gets scarce, now the shelves go bare. People start riots, no love, no care. When survival hit, it's a different prayer. Man turns savage when there's none new war. I can hear it in the sky. Nations rise up, watch the innocent die. Water like gold, oil prices go high. Cause the war, tell me, isn't there? Oh, we still got time. Fire in the wind, you can feel it in the air. Kings fall down, but nobody cares. Signs in the sun, yeah, it's written out there. Second coming close, Jesus the Messiah. You better get prepared, DJ Mona-Ta. History repeat, but they change the face. Different generation, same dark trace. Napoleon rose with a hunger for throne. Power in his veins, heart turned stone. Hitler came next with a world in flames. Millions of souls, yet we know the names. Evil don't die, it just shifts its game. New mask on, but the spirit the same. Now who's the third? Yeah, they ask that loud. Could be in a suit, could be in the crowd. Smooth with words, make the masses bow. Promise them peace, then divide them now. Mark of control in the digital age. Track every move, every thought, every page. Freedom traded just to feel safe. While the puppet master pulling the strings in place. DJ Mona-Ta. Numbers rule war, I can hear it in the sky. Nations rise up, watch the innocent die. Water like gold, oil prices go high. Cause the war, tell me, isn't there? Oh, we still got time. Fire in the wind, you can feel it in the air. Kings fall down, but nobody care. Signs in the sun, yeah, it's written out there. Second coming close, Jesus the Messiah. You better get prepared, DJ Mona-Ta. Water the new gold, they remember that. Oil prices go high cause of war, now they fight for that. Oil still king, now it's petrodollar versus petroleum win. NATO versus BRICS, they are fighting for dominance. Economic power, technological supremacy. Nuclear firepower, military capabilities. Air, sea, and true strength. New wars coming about what won't last. Orders get tight, armies on the line. Missiles in the dark, red alert signs. Satellites watching every design. One wrong move could erase mankind. Rumors in the streets, whispers online. War about to break any moment in time. Leaders talk tough, but they crossing the line. While civilians pray just to stay alive. Brother versus brother, nation versus nation. Kingdom against king, global frustration. Love turned cold in this generation. Heart so lost, needs salvation. But look to the sky, not for the fear, but the promise. They mocked his name, said he ain't real. But truth don't bend it the way you feel. Every prophecy start to reveal. Now it's judgment time, sealed with a seal. Trumpet sound, yeah, the heavens open. Every knee bow, every word spoken. From the east to west, light explosion. King of kings, yeah, the final moment. Yeah. Rumors of war, yeah, it's all been told. Hearts turn dark when the world go cold. Water like gold, yeah, we sold our soul. Now we stand here watching it unfold. Fire in the sky, hear the angels cry. True too real, you can't deny. Second coming near, Jesus the Messiah, our Savior, our Redeemer, no more disguise. Choose your side. It's the final time. This ain't fear, this awareness. This ain't the end, it's the warning. Stay ready, stay grounded, be prepared. Cause when he comes, Jesus our Savior and Redeemer, there's no rewind.